Hi guys, me, Sam's Vlogs Trains and More here, and today I'm doing something special. I'm going to be doing another video, and I'm going to do more video of me unboxing my brand new iPhone 12. So the reason why I've got this iPhone 12 before people start asking me questions in the comments is because I've got my current iPhone 11, which is what I'm recording this video on, is actually it's due its upgrade. It wasn't actually due until the autumn time, like November time, but I actually got I was allowed to upgrade early this past week, so I went ahead and did it, and then I paid for this monthly on my contract. So yeah, I'm going to unbox this with you guys. And first impressions, look how thin the new iPhone boxes are when you get a new iPhone these days. Yeah, look at it. So I thought I'd unbox this with you guys. I'm not going to really show you the full setup because that's kind of like, I need to do it off camera because that's kind of like, because obviously I've got put my personal information and stuff. So I've just thought I'd show you the unboxing of this new iPhone 12. So first of all, you also get this little clear glass screen protector in case. So let me just unbox this. I've already taken out the main packaging because obviously I don't want you guys to know my address, but so what you get here is a screen protector which you put on the actual phone, and then here you've got I have no idea what that is. What on earth is that? I don't know what on earth that is.
Looks like a clip on the bottom of your phone.
And then I've got £10 off voucher for something. Another £10 off voucher. And then here's the actual case. So in a minute you'll see what colour I've got, but this is just a clear case. You can obviously, like, once you've finally sorted out your phone, you could probably buy yourself a case of your colour of choice. And then I'm with EE, which are sometimes terrible and sometimes good. And then this is just like some welcome pack information. And then that is what you kind of get. And then this is the main, obviously, the exciting part, the phone. Right, so let's take a look inside. Let's just take off the tape, the protective tape that it comes with. Take that off, and then will it be a big reveal if they put another bit of cardboard? Here it is. As you can see, I've gone for the blue one, and doesn't it look nice? First impressions, look how light and thin it is compared to my current iPhone 11. My actual iPhone 11 is actually this is actually much lighter and thinner. Look how thin they are compared to my current iPhone 11, which is more thick and heavy. But I would still say it's heavy, but my iPhone 11 is probably
a lovely colour. Sorry,
it's probably probably slightly heavier. Right, we're just going to put that there. Right, these days, yeah, what they do is they actually don't give you a plug, because Apple are scammers and actually give you this new crappy old like cable, and it's not actually USB these days. So what you have to do is actually buy a professional plug, but it's not a huge problem for me because I pretty much charge my phone wirelessly. But you get this lightning cable, which is for a new cable, and you have to order the actual main plug separately. And then also what you get is some you still get an Apple sticker for you to put on the back of your phone. You actually get how many Apple stickers do you get? And that's
thing to open your SIM.
That's the thing to open your SIM card. So obviously I'll transfer pins because I want to keep my current phone number. And then that's all you get these days. And
transfer SIMs, not pins.
That's all you get in the actual phone these days. So actually not much. Previously you'd get like a pack of headphones and a plug, but these days you literally just get one of these crappy old cables, the phone, and then obviously you get, it depends what package you get like a wireless charger, and then this is just a little pin that you obviously put in. And you still get an Apple sticker, which I'm still quite surprised at, like, because obviously Apple will obviously, like, you have to actually, I was speaking to my sister actually, she's got one of the new plugs, but you have to actually pay now, depending on obviously what country you're in. I'm in the UK obviously, and we have to pay now £20 to get the actual professional plugs. To be honest with you, I probably will pay £20 and get one, just to have one, that in case I ever want to charge my phone without the cable. But that's all what you pretty much get with the phone these days. And then yeah, and obviously I'm just going to set up this phone now, and I'll actually eventually, once it's fully set up, I will show you what's on the phone in the second part of this video. So stay tuned guys, more coming in a second. Well, so here's my phone now, it's all like set up and stuff. Just open it up, and then yeah, I've got quite a few apps on now. I'm not going to really show you a full like what's my iPhone tour, unless you guys want to see that. If you guys want to see a what's on my iPhone 12 video, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's my iPhone 11. Yes, I am recording this video literally before I upload it. I just need to add this clip in. I did actually start recording it last week, and I've been just transferring some stuff. I still need to transfer a little bit of stuff, but I've mainly finished transferring everything over now. So yeah, that's jolly good. So that is my new iPhone 12. So I really do hope you've enjoyed the unboxing of my iPhone 12. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you can hear any background noise, I think because it's a bit stormy out, a bit of thunder and stuff. So if you can hear any background noise, comment down below as well if you enjoyed this. Let me know what you thought. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to consider subscribing. It's completely free to do so. The button's down there. You won't miss it, and it is free. So yeah, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications, folks. Alright, cheers everyone. Bye guys. Peace out.